G'day everyone, welcome back. What I'm going to do today is just to fix this part here of my box. This is a box, in case you haven't seen the previous 4 videos, 5 actually with the top. I had a big blob of white here and a couple of other little blobs and one blob of clear right there, which what I did was I've already covered it with clear resin and it's still wet, so I don't want to touch it, but I chiseled that out and you can really see that. I'm going to try and zoom in to show you this area here. I was going to leave it like that, but you can really see that that's something different there. It just doesn't suit the scene. Anything else probably would have worked. And I also don't like this bit here, so without further ado, let's get some white in it. So this just had a coat of clear only minutes ago, and I decided to mix up some white and try to not destroy this now, but we shall see. It will add another dimension, I suppose, so whatever I do is not going to be too drastic. Fingers crossed. Alright, I might just start here. I'll just go up there in a thin line. You can actually drag it down now because, well, that's quite pretty. Might fix this a little bit. Just do, hopefully push that down that way. And probably add a little bit more of the white here and just blow it out. Trying to mix it in with this clear here because I don't want to have any gaps, and that's what you get when it's unmixed. Just pull that there a bit. Also to hide some of that green that I have there, which is quite nice. Golden sage, but it's just too much of it here. Push that down a little bit, just to use up this white really. And because it's being placed on over clear resin, it'll move very easily, so I've got to try not to wreck it totally, you know. And I want some more of that white here, so I'm going to continue that over there. I'm going to give it a little blow just to see where I'm at. Just trying to blend these together. I'm going to get that clear blend in there. Don't like it. Alright, that's good. I'll probably add a little bit more down here, but let's blow it with a heat gun and see what we get. Oh, that's really cool. Really cool like that. I like it. I've got cells over the top and you can really see through there, which is pretty cool. Got to move this down so. Really nice. Now, I don't particularly like this area here, so I will pour a little bit of white on there too. And let this sit. It's pulling that way. It just wants to spread. That's why every now and then I will just push over that clear and push the white down. But I like that. It's really awesome right there. The depth that you get. Ooh la la. Very cool. Alright, let's go with the white just there. like that. Plenty of it over here. I'll cover that. There's just a thin line going there. Cover that bit there. Adds depth, and I'm pulling it like that so it doesn't just immediately stop. It's moving upwards, sideways rather. There we go. Might just add a little bit more white down here, just for fun, just to use it up. It's looking great so far. Oh, we've got a blob there, gotta fix that. I'm also looking at the sides, just making sure that I don't drip and ruin that. Right, I'll add a little bit more white here just because that sort of continues over here, and I've got some. It's going to be another little wave there, just so it sort of flows with the side. Thin line going across here, like that. It's quite pretty. Alright, that's it. I've used up all my white. Now I'm going to be playing with the heat. Alright, that's looking really cool. Okay everyone, here it is. I'm really happy. I managed to fix that bit there a little bit, and it just looks like a splash now. But just check out the depth. I'm going to start down here. So see that brighter white is the top layer. And look at it over here. Check this out. How amazing is that? Wow. Real happy. I think I'm going to be doing this from now on, just like this, and you can still see that blue underneath there a bit. Just breaking up over here a little bit. Let's go move down here, and you can definitely see the depth there in that sand. Look at that. I'm really happy with this. There it is. So I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. I'll see you next time.